So I bought another one. It's a naked chassis, and I'm planning to transfer everything from the black one to the new one. It's a 2007. It has a little bit surface rust, but nothing major. It all can be treated. Only problem is here is one major part missing, but I have that on the black one, so I'm going to cut it out and weld it here. So yeah, this is my 2007 V6 Mustang Cabrio. Yeah, the steering wheel is in a good condition, and the reason I bought it is to repair the black one. I bought this body a few months ago, and it needed too much parts for the car to be complete. And when I saw how much all the parts costs, I found this one with American papers for 2,000 euros. So now I should have everything that I need for a black one to repair. But first I'm going to take the steering wheel. It's in a little bit better condition than on the red one. So now let's take off the steering wheel. To take off the steering wheel, you need to take off these two little covers from behind the steering wheel, but somebody already did that, so made my job a bit easier. And then the airbag comes out. Those are 10mm bolts. And now we need a magnet to take the bolts out. Okay. Now take out the airbag. Be careful with the connections and unplug the battery before you do anything with the airbag. And now we have a big bolt in the middle to take the steering wheel out. It's a 24mm bolt. Take out this plug also. And steering wheel is out. And on the red one this lever for turn signals doesn't want to go back, so I'm going to take this one also. There is a Torx 20 screw, two of them. Maybe even three of them. But if I can take it this way, I don't have to take everything off. There are two connectors. One is out. And this one. Three connectors. And it's out. And now let's transfer everything in the red one. Let's clean everything first, the best that I can. It's not perfect, but it's much better than the one in the red one. Now let's take off the steering wheel from the red one. First, take off the battery. Eight mil socket. Then take off the two little covers. Then take out the two 10 mil bolts. Oh, here are 8 mil bolts. Interesting. Take the magnet, take the bolt out. When it wants to let go. Take out the airbag. Unplug the two connectors. Unplug the back connector for the steering wheel. And take out the center bolt. And the steering wheel is out. And now take out the upper part of the console. Take out the upper cover. Two Torx 20s from underneath. Here are Phillips screws. Interesting, the difference between 2005 and 2007. Okay, pull it down and take out the two Torx. And two from above. Three connectors, and it's out. And now let's install the other one. 3 connectors. 2 screws from above. And 2 from the front. Reattach the lower cover. 2 Phillips head screws. Reattach the upper cover. Just click it in place. Like so. And now put the steering wheel. Like so. Reattach the connector. For cruise control, a little bit Loctite on the bolt. And just tighten it. It doesn't have to be too much. And cover and the airbag. Reconnect the 2 connections and 2 bolts. And the 2 little covers. And we're done. Now, just to test it. Okay. Key in the ignition. Okay. The horn functions and the turn signal lever. So, okay, functions. And I hope the cruise control functions also. I will see to paint the silver parts and to wash it a little bit better, and it's going to be like brand new one. I'm happy with it. Okay, now let's try to refill the AC. The AC works on this car, but it's not cold enough. And the summer is coming, the temperature are getting higher, and I bought the can and the hose for filling the AC on eBay. Let's start the car, turn on the AC and measure how cold does it blow. Let's turn on the AC on the coldest settings. We are going to leave it for a few minutes for AC to build up pressure. And now it's around 16 degrees Celsius, but I believe it will go even higher. Okay, 6 or 7 minutes had passed. I don't believe we will get anything better. So let's now try to refill it and to lower it to 5 degrees Celsius or less. Connect the bottle to the hose. Here is a low pressure side. Take the cap off. This should be all the way open. Connect the low pressure side with a quick connector. There is a current pressure. And now screw this all the way in to open the bottle. And then open it. And then when the compressor kicks in, the pressure starts falling. Then you should open the bottle so that the system pulls the refrigerant in. As soon as the compressor turns off and the pressure starts to build up, you should close the bottle and repeat the process until the bottle is empty. And I believe it's empty. Now close it, unplug it. Yep, it's empty. Let's now test the temperature. That should be good, if this thing is precise. But yeah, the air is much colder than it was. And now we will let it for 10 minutes to circulate and then shut the car down. And yeah, new jack. We shall call it Jack Nicholson. And in the next episode we are going to address a few body and interior imperfections. Till next time.